Hey guys, so I decided to make a little clip before I left so that way if you had questions, maybe I can cover those questions before you start 13.2. So bear with me, this is my first video. Okay, on 13.2 it's addition and subtraction of inequalities. Now, the first step, the explore activity, should be very simple for you. Once you read it, I'm going to go through the first page with you. That way you can kind of see what we're doing. All right, so it says on a day in January, right under modeling one-step inequalities, one day in January in Watertown, New York, the temperature was 5 degrees Fahrenheit at dawn. By noon, it was at least 8 degrees Fahrenheit. By how many degrees did the temperature increase? So when we solved equations using just the equal sign, that's kind of what we're doing. We are solving inequalities. It's the exact same thing. On A, it says let X represent the increase in temperature. So in that little box right here, the little box that says increase in temperature, you're going to put an X there. The temperature is going to be 5. Okay, so going down to the bottom, it says that what values of X make this inequality true? Graph the solution. So X is going to be, X has to be greater than or equal to 8 because that's the information that's given. So y'all can go ahead and do that. The next part is using properties of inequalities, and I did leave up Dr. Hamburger. I know y'all guys love him. I left that up so that way that y'all could watch it. He's going to talk to you about how to solve each inequality. Guys, example 1, so simple. You are solving it. Make sure though that after each time you check and put in so that way you know if it's right or wrong. Once you have, after the little video with Mr. Hamburger on the first part, you're going to be able to do the your turn number 2 and number 3. Make sure you get those done. In interpreting inequalities as comparisons, okay, so that is another math on the spot, which is with Dr. Hamburger, and I'll have that playing on the screen for you as well. Example 2, it says the real world problem for the inequality 60 is greater than or equal to W plus 5, then solve the inequality. So W is the unknown, we know that. Okay, so basically what you're doing is you are writing a real world problem just like we did with the inequalities, with the equations. I know you guys love that, but you can do it. You're super smart. I believe in you. All right, so your turn number 5, it says write a real world problem that can be modeled, and it gives you the model. Okay, make sure that you have included everything in that. The guided practice is kind of what I want you to work on after you do that. And then when I get back on Monday, we will do 13.2 independent practice together. So enjoy your time of no homework. On Thursday, I want you to start 13.2, okay? So I hope you guys have a fabulous time, behave, and I will see you soon.